Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to insert image from Google Drive into Google Sheet. So let's start. First open your Google Sheets, then go to the insert tab, then click on the image option and you can see here the two options, insert image in cell and insert image over cell. So here I'm going to select the second option, insert image over cell, and after that you can see here the one dialog box is open, insert image. Okay, to insert image from Google Drive, just click on the Google Drive tab, and here you can see the recent image here showing. Left hand side you can see the recent tab. If you want to upload the image from my drive, just click on the my drive and you can select the image from your drive also. Okay, share with me. If anyone share with you any image, you can upload in Google Sheet also. Okay, so I select the recent tab. Now I select the one image here. So I select this one and click on the insert, and that's it. Your image is inserted. Okay, you can easily move anywhere and you can easily resize it. Okay, and click on the three dot right hand side. You can replace, delete image, assign the script, reset size, alt text, and put image in selected cell. So suppose here I select the one cell and I click on the image, click on the three dot and click on the put image in selected cell, and that's it. You can see image is inserted in selected cell. Okay, so I just increase the size of row. You can see. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.